Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to verify your Pi mobile number and Pi address. So guys, for those that have not verified the address, their mobile number, guys, if you don't do this before the mainnet will launch fully, you might stand a chance of losing all the Pi you have mined for years or for weeks or for months. So guys, make sure you do this. It's very easy. I'm not going to take much of your time. For those that are not subscribed to my channel, please do me free to subscribe to my channel so that you get notification each time I upload fresh content. So without any further ado, let's go straight to this video. So all you don't need to do, come here. If you have installed the Pi, just open the Pi. For those that have not started mining Pi, I'm going to drop the link to download the Pi app and set up your account and start mining. It's pretty easy. So once you open your Pi, you go to this left three dotted circle here, then you scroll down to profile. Under profile, you see your username will be there, your invitation code to share is there, referral link is there, ask to change name. So maybe you made a mistake in your name, you can see how. Once you click now, say happy name change. So now my name is okay, my first name is okay, my last name is okay, there's no error, so there's no need for appeal. Say appeal will only accept a minor update to the currently registered name. Major changes that bear no resemblance to the original name will be rejected. So you can see, so these are the things I want to use to filter a lot of fake addresses, fake accounts that have been registered on Pi, because a lot of people do register fake names just to get more referrals and all that. So it will help to sanitize the whole entire ecosystem and the entire database of users. So it's a very move from Pi network. So you can do that. If you made a mistake, maybe spell a typographical error on your name, you can just click here, go to appeal and change name. You can hide your real name here. Like if I want to hide my real name, I can hide it so no one sees my real name. So you can as well open it, hide my real name from members of my anything. So I've hidden my real name. So you can see you cannot hide it as well if you wish to. So that is it. So say account verification. So for your account to be verified, you must pass these three processes, or two out of the three. So if you don't have Facebook, don't worry, make sure you verify your phone number. Very, very important. So all you don't need to do, because I've already verified, that's why you're seeing good here, you just click on this. Once you click on this place, you will see it will take you to phone number where you now ask you to do it. You will see a button says start. Once you click on start, it will take you to this, something like this. Your message box will open like this number. There will be a 4-digit code number here. Just click on send, just like the way you send normal messages. Then just wait for some time, go back to your app. Once you go back to your app, you're going to see something like this. Your phone number is now successfully verified. So this is how you're going to see it. I just verified my own now before starting this video. I would have done it alongside when I was doing this video, but it skipped my memory, so my apology for that. So just click on it to verify, and it will change from this orange color to green. So you click also on Facebook. Once you click on it, if your Facebook is already open on your Facebook mobile app, if you have an app already open, it will just pop up and tell you that okay, you want to access verify using your Facebook. If it's not your own, you can log in and click on verify. Automatically to verify. Then this password, upon registration, this is the one that normally comes up. You must put a password, which once you put a password, it also tick. So these are three major things that you need to do for your Pi account to be verified. So guys, do it very fast. If you have not done it, do it now so that you don't miss out all the Pi you have been mining for ages. So you said help cover server blah 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 maintenance. So if you want ads to be showing, sometimes you can click this. If you don't want ads, you can turn it off. So that's just it. So I'm going to leave it. It's just helping the community, to cover the cost of maintenance, since the mining of Pi is free. So account deletion. So right now, maybe you want to delete your account, you can easily delete your account from here. So that is how you can verify your Pi account using your phone number, your Facebook, and password. So guys, do this fast to secure your account. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do me free to subscribe and click the bell icon so that I get notified each time I upload fresh content. So thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.